Hey, if you're watching this video, then there's a really good chance you're kind of interested in buying the Ultimate Home Renovation Budget Toolkit. So I just wanted to give you a quick run through of what to expect when you purchase our Budget Toolkit. Hey there, I'm Catherine Trentini, owner of Trentini Design, a multi-award-winning interior design studio specialising in home renovations. We've been featured in prestigious publications such as Hunting for George, The Interiors Addict and the Cambridge Quarterly, and our work has been recognised through award programs within Australia and internationally. We've been renovating homes for the last 10 years and have loved every single project we've had the privilege of completing. And we're discovering that there are homeowners out there who have a really fabulous eye for design, and they're wanting to design and project manage their entire home renovation project themselves. When we complete a renovation, we aim to price every single aspect of the renovation for our clients, including materials and labour. And we do this so that they have an accurate and clear understanding of what they're going to spend before any work starts. Here's what I want you to think about. Unless you know what it is you're going to spend, how will you know that you can afford it? If you can't answer this question, then don't start your renovation. Many home renovations start out with great excitement, only to end in financial stress and half-finished projects. Instead, we're empowering homeowners like you to take control of your renovation finances and turn your dream home into a reality. If any of the following sounds like you, then the Ultimate Home Renovation Budget Toolkit is for you. Are you filled with anxiety about whether you can afford your home renovations without overspending? Are you worried that your spending will spiral out of control due to unexpected expenses or inadequate budgeting? Are you stressed thinking about managing and tracking expenses while ensuring that you don't run out of funds before completing your project? Do you worry your project will face delays because your lack of budget planning will lead to funding shortages or financial setbacks? Are you worried that you could lose track of your budget because your scope of works is consistently changing? Do you worry about making compromises on quality that impact the final outcome of your project because you haven't planned your budget properly? Do you make appointments with trades and suppliers only to face that constant disappointment of no-shows? I know that's a long list, but if that sounds anything like what you're experiencing or facing, then keep watching. We've made the Budget Toolkit simple to use, and the guides that are included take you through our own process that we use step by step so you can use our exact proven methods on your own renovation project. We know from experience that homeowners want to know the answer to two questions. What's it going to cost and how long is it going to take? It's easy to feel overwhelmed when estimating and tracking renovation costs, but our toolkit simplifies that process, providing a structured budget spreadsheet and step-by-step guides so you can confidently navigate the financial aspects of your renovation project without stress. So here's what you get in the Ultimate Home Renovation Budget Toolkit. A downloadable budget and costing spreadsheet, including a guide to use the spreadsheet effectively, where you'll price your home renovation, you're going to track your spending and finish your home renovation on budget and on time. You can tailor the spreadsheet to fit your unique project. Whether it's a single room or an entire home renovation, our spreadsheet easily adapts to your individual needs and maintains clarity. Our suite of templates walks you through our proven methods to working with trades and suppliers. We'll take you through our entire process from start to finish, and we'll teach you exactly how we avoid trade no-shows and why we always successfully receive quotes in a timely manner. We've also included 5 guides, and they are going to help you design and price your renovation, including 5 steps to working with trades and suppliers, an 8-step renovation guide, navigating the budget maze, space planning basics, and a shopping guide showcasing my all-time favourite places to purchase. And of course, It's not a toolkit unless we throw in some bonuses, and we have not disappointed. So you'll get a bonus collection of mood board templates and done-for-you colour palettes to kickstart your design process. This includes a digital set of mood board templates that you can drop your own images into, as well as a set of ready-to-use colour palettes that you can use to inform your own design and aesthetic outcomes. And hey, just to add one more bonus, you'll also receive my free training where you'll learn to use Pinterest efficiently and effectively to discover your own unique design style in just 3 days. That is a $315 value, and it's yours free when you purchase the Ultimate Home Renovation Budget Toolkit. Renovation projects can easily spiral out of control financially due to unexpected expenses or inadequate budgeting. Our toolkit helps you set a realistic budget and offers tools to monitor expenses, giving you the peace of mind that you won't face budget-related surprises. If you can do just one thing before you renovate or decorate, you need to create a budget, and you need the Ultimate Home Renovation Budget Toolkit. I can't wait to hear how the Budget Toolkit helped you navigate your own renovation journey. Take care, and we'll speak soon.